told y'all gonna try it. Eat everything I want, but it's what I'm gonna eat today. So y'all bear with me, because I'm telling you, I'm gonna be smacking. I'm gonna be eating. I don't know how much talking I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do my best.
Yeah, okay.
That's all. Go on over and comment, like, and share. I got my family with me today. This is our seafood day. They got more seafood than me because I can't eat all the other different stuff that they eat. But anyway, I'm gonna eat what I'm gonna eat. Got a little pies in here, my daughter made right there. Let y'all see, I don't want to lift them up too high. We already prayed. I'm just gonna say amen again. We already prayed. Let y'all see the best you can. I don't want to drop it now. Can you see it? Got a little crab, got a little cornbread, potatoes. Can't turn it all the way around because I'm scared and drop it. My feet done made a mess. My feet done made a mess. Got me some good old cold water. Huh? I ain't put no. I'm not no dip with no butter. I can't dip with no butter.
No, 240 something.
So I'm just gonna put it on the plate wherever I can dip, how I can dip. I love dip crabs in this stuff. The good old tartar sauce. Put aside my cold sauce.
But the rest of us lost 15.
Huh?
The rest of us lost 15.
Got me some good old ketchup.
No.
I'm gonna put a little bit up here with my potatoes and my shrimps.
No, I don't think so.
That's right. Yeah, we all here today. Sitting back eating. Pigging out. Woo. I'm going to put this over here so y'all want to see these bones right here. I'm trying to keep this fork right here. But I don't know how long this fork going to make it. Oh, Lord, I want to knock that water over. I better put that water over this side.
What's the fork for?
Huh?
What's the fork for?
Oh, I got to eat my broccoli. I know you. He said, what the fuck? I said, I gotta eat that broccoli. I'm put Katie pies right here. I'm trying them pies before when I finish eating. Oh, I should have put my crabs in the front and put my cornbread in the back. Yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna do. I don't know, because I don't want to be reaching over. Nah, I'm gonna do it like that. Oh, let me taste pizza. Look at that pretty cornbread. I know, I like a little brown spot on top. Good old cornbread. Woo! And let me get that eating. Oh! Oh! No, I'm eating with my hand. And I'm eating with my fork. Got my old paper here today, broccoli. Coleslaw. I ain't getting y'all bite. No, y'all want none of the broccoli. Put this over a little bit more. I should have moved them pies a little bit. Y'all can see them.
I don't like breaded shrimp.
You know what I can eat those? Okay?
What?
Oh, Lord, I'm making a mess. I'm making a mess.
Oh.
A pure mess. Messy. Well, no, it's going to be a messy day. Y'all ain't seen it yet. We tell you these crabs. They're going to be messy, messy, messy. And no, I don't use no scissors. Because you use no crab there. I use my teeth. And I eat them down to the bone. Gotta get my little pickle first. Let me find me a little pickle. Get my little pickle right here. Got me a little pickle. Good. Now come up here, gonna make a mess. Look, good old broccoli.
Look, Daddy.
Look at it. They so quiet back there, they just munching down.
We said that was turkey sauce.
Here's our phone, turkey sauce. It looked like a rope. And I just cut it up.
I like that because it don't have that polished taste.
Can't get that stuff out there. I don't eat that stuff. Ugh.
I want to try them brown and green noodles, pasta noodles. See how they taste with some pesto sauce.
They scared of the camera. I try a good table and eat the guy and just spread the middle of the table up. They scared. They don't like the camera. They sit behind the camera. But they love to talk. They'll talk now. Don't worry, Kate will get started in a minute. Oh, yes, she will. Won't you, Kate? You get started in a minute. Oh. Katie back there, she made her little seafood boil too. Sausages.
Shrimp.
Shrimp. She back there turn up.
Potatoes, onions, corn, and crab legs.
Alrighty then. Oh. I'm so big with these crab.
You got scampi soup on this cake.
Huh?
You got scampi soup on.
Shrimp scampi?
I should have put my crabs on the side. If I
I don't like the sauce.
It won't make no difference. I still eat the same old way.
Oh, Lord. I'm making a mess.
I'm making a mess too, child, but I ain't worried about it. It's gonna be a mess today. My husband used to have to pick crab, so he won't eat them because he said too much work. I see that joker. Learn how to do. He love them crab. I'm back there picking now. Yes, indeed, picking. He's getting good now. Caitlin ain't a big crab eater. She's a fruit. She don't eat a whole lot. She'll pick a crab eater. She said, Mama, I said eat a fruit one. I said, that child, get what you want and eat them whatever you want to eat. It don't make no difference how you eat them.
There's a lot of food. I know this is probably going to either be my dinner or my lunch tomorrow. One or the other. Probably my dinner so I can pop it back in the oven.
Oh, yeah. Your dinner? Really time to cook it and fix it back up. Yeah.
Oh, I put garlic in it too, minced garlic.
Yeah, so what you do that minced garlic?
Yeah, that's what that taste is.
You taste the garlic?
Yeah. Oh, and I didn't use water. I mixed it with chicken broth.
Oh, that sounds good now. Chicken broth.
That's the soup at the bottom.
Okay. Y'all like that corn?
You can't go wrong with corn.
I ain't got them one came on street yet. They're gonna come out here. You like Crystal Calvin?
For hot sauce?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Which one take the best for you? Texas Peak or Crystal?
Either one. It's about the same.
You think? Which one you like the best, man? I ain't rubbing my shirt there, y'all. I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna eat.
I like the crystal.
This messy eating.
Just taste like Chesapeake when it's fresh.
What do you mean by that? Texas Peak.
Sometimes when you shopping it for Chesapeake and it don't have that bright red look, you don't want to buy it.
Oh, yeah, because Texas Peak's a brand.
Yeah.
I know that because when y'all were getting a little package, sometimes y'all go out back in the day. There'll be a little brown sometimes. Ain't that good? That's good. Woo! Hallelujah! 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 Just got to get the hallelujah praise.
Eat with something I got tomorrow.
Woo! It's good.
I hate this part of it.
You do it. Get your little one like this.
That's what I'm on.
Dig inside, get it. I'm a UDT. We're doing this other girl. Young girl. Getting to them crabs. Hide the bone because y'all want y'all see a pile of bones up there. But it will okay. pound of bone. Uh-oh. I ain't trying to lose that fork. I got some scissors in there. I ain't got time for scissors. I ain't trying to be dignified today. I'm trying to get down and dirty. Turn these crabs up. Drop them everywhere. Ooh, they ain't taste right.
I'm getting full.
Oh, really? I just full already.
Wow, I ate half of my thing already.
I could put this cornbread back here. I'm gonna get to this cornbread. I work with this one from the front. That one work with from the back. Gotta look around and play the banner. I shook up my little pies and refrigerator so I'm ready to eat them. I don't want to melt.
Ain't no room.
For the pie? Oh. I'm just talking. What y'all having today? Comment down below. What y'all having today? A lot of people out here had a big Sunday dinner. We normally do have Sunday dinner, but we ain't had it today. Straight to cake. That's all I'm doing. I love them. I don't care how take potatoes cooked. I love touch them on. I don't care if it's boiled, fried, baked, you name it. I love it. Let's get this one out here now. Come on. Oh, I did okay this time. They ain't gonna come out. I see some people bite it back there and it come on out. But you know, these don't want to do it. Lord, I'm making a mess. They fouling back there. My husband back there on town, he's silent too. He's working. This is a hard work he did a long time. To pick these crabs. Ain't right, honey?
You got it right.
Didn't make them back. Where the cornbread got back there? Got a little bit back there. This is good. Get this out drip up and down my shirt. Woo, it's good. Should got some more coleslaw. Too late now. I got to put some noodles down. Laid up in ketchup. Y'all eat the skin on the potatoes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's where the nutrients at.
Yeah, I try to eat them, but sometimes they don't want to chew up right. They don't want to chew right. Yeah, the nutrients is in the skin. Mm. Lord have mercy. Swallow a piece of potato. I can feel it on my chest everywhere. I told y'all gonna be messy. I warned y'all. Drop them everywhere. Good old water. Ah. Some more coleslaw. I mean, some more. I dip in tartar sauce. I love it too. I know more in here. I got another bottle. When you gotta come, I got some more. You know, I gotta keep the close by. I mean, them jokers ain't saying nothing back there. I'm saying something. You said, your boss moving around? It is good. I know y'all gonna hear them crabs popping back there. Do y'all like y'all crabs hot or cold?
I like them hot, but I can eat them cold.
I personally think they taste a little better cold.
You think?
When you just let them in the refrigerator.
You know the meat.
They juices.
And the juices.
Yeah.
You know, when they're hot, they come out better. Like the bone, like the meat come out better. To me. Oh, got a little piece came out. Got questions for y'all. I want y'all to answer. If you became rich today, I'm talking about rich. Oh, I dropped some. How would you act? What would you buy? And would it change you?
Of course, they'll change. When you're rich.
In what way? What way would it change you?
It'll change because you got money. You're rich.
So how would it change you? If it changed you, how would it change you? I mean, you know who you are today. How would it change you?
My character won't change, but your way of life will change.
Okay. But I said would it change you?
No, it won't change me.
You will still be the person you are today?
Nope.
Well, would it change you?
Nope, my character will still be the same.
Or you'll still be holding on to it in the bank and rubbing your pocket because you know you're rich. That's your character now. You know you got money. When I see you rubbing them pockets, I say, he got the money. That's a sign you show. You didn't realize it, did you? Huh? You ain't got no money. Oh, wow. That's what they all say.
Speaking into existence.
Exactly. Everybody said they ain't got no money. But they got it. Now, you can say you ain't got no money, you want somebody to see you got some money you want to have, right, honey? There wasn't more people doing what they don't do everything they got. What would you do with your money? What would you do with it?
I guess I'll buy me one thing I do, I'll buy me a home by the ocean.
All right.
On the mountainside.
Oh, you love the mountains.
No, not a mountainside, but on like a hill, like so it won't flood.
Sylvester, they flood too. They bring white people up there and they put some sand packs up.
No, if you up high enough, it won't.
Oh, it won't?
Mm-mm.
What put them sand packs then?
No, I don't want you to have to do all of that.
I been seeing them putting up sand packs. Bags. But they don't want your house get flooded up on the mountain, up on the hill.
No, I don't want to have to do all of that.
Okay. Who next?
What was the question?
Have you became rich today? What would you do with it? How would you act and would it change you?
Did he answer how would you act?
Yeah, he said the same, but I don't know. I didn't get the answer too good. He didn't really say how you act.
Well, you said what would I do with it?
What would you do? How would you act and would it change you?
I would start a business.
Okay.
I would purchase a house.
Okay. That sounds good to me.
I act like I got some sense.
Uh-huh.
And yes, it would change me.
And what? For good about it. For good of the world, would you do, what would make you, what we couldn't change, would change you?
Anything that happens in your life gonna change you.
I knew
And
it.
any event like that, yeah, you're gonna change.
But I mean,
Hopefully for the good.
there you go.
Nothing stays the same. Even if nothing happen in your life big like that, you still gonna change over time.
Yeah, you would be. I always say, well, if I became rich, I won't be wearing no $5,000 pair of shoes. Teddy said, Mama, yeah, you can say that because you're not rich. Well, if you're rich, I'm talking about good and rich. When you got all that money, you will buy a pair of $5,000 shoes and a pocketbook too.
Yeah, cause
She know I love pocketbook shoes.
You gotta think, it's people out there now that say, I ain't putting no $100 in those shoes. That's crazy. That's ridiculous. Okay, to them, it's all about relative. To them, $100, they probably think, oh, look at all I can do with $100. To you like, oh, you know about $100. So yeah, if you had a whole lot of money, you wouldn't be looking at $5,000 the same as you look at it now.
You're right. Well, I'm gonna go next call Smurf over here. Let Smurf be laughing, because I know Smurf got some. He think it's real deep over there. If I became rich today, no, it would not change me. I'd still be Barbara. Yes, I probably will buy some stuff that I know I can't afford to get now. Y'all don't know. I will get a nice little house. I'll scope out. First of all, I go around the world. I like to go to truck. Buy me an RV, one of the best they got out now. If I can't visit that 2020. And if my husband's coming here drive, no, you're gonna lay back there and ride. We're gonna get us a chauffeur. Get us a chauffeur. And we're gonna just ride from state to state. The state I like, I stay in the park about a week. One that you don't care for, like overnight or something like that. Pull all the car behind. We go see things. That's what I do personally for myself. I thought about an airplane or jet, but I mean a jet. I ain't buying no jet though. I thought about, but no, So I want to ride. I want to take my time when I can go from place to place. I can just see things. But that's for me. I always say about the conference today, I make sure St. Jude children will be blessed. I'm talking about blessed. Blessed, blessed, blessed. My heart is St. Jude children. No, I don't have no sick children. Never had no sick children like that. But they will always been in my heart. And I will be a place of restoration for battered women with children, whether they're married or single. Get them on their feet. If they don't have a career, help them get educated. Have it like a year turnover to 3-year turnover. And get them, a new start in life. That's what I do. I think I'm done now because I done said enough. We call him Smurf. Y'all know why. I told y'all why. When he was born, he was blue. And he was losing oxygen. And he looked just like a little Smurf from the big ears, that pretty hair laid down. And man, a little Smurf. And I started calling him Smurf. Everybody call him Smurf. Up to the day, 35 years old, still call him Smurf. Anyway, go ahead, Smurf. What would you do?
Well, first of all, I got a new house.
Uh-huh.
Buy me a big piece of land, put it on. Because even if I made money, I won't always go the separate way. I would like if us just have big piece of land. We just put all our houses on that big piece of land, but we have our own privacy.
All of us?
Yeah.
Okay, you want the family to stay close together.
Yeah.
Is that because you want me to make sure I keep an eye on y'all? Or is it because y'all want to make sure y'all have...
No, I said we still have our own privacy. But we
Yeah.
still close vicinity to each other.
You know when them grandchildren, y'all have them close to mama. Mama can spoil them. Be nice to run on over there without getting in the road anywhere. Run on through that when you still were younger. So I don't know, y'all. I won't trust that. I don't know the day that's my snatching for to get to my house.
So when you say rich, how rich we talking?
Bitch!
I retire a couple people at work that I like.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's so sweet. Would you? Oh, okay. Go ahead, Smart.
What else I do? I definitely try to propose and try to get her a big ring.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's so sweet, Smurf.
Oh, how much you put in the ring for Natasha?
If I'm 50 rich, I'm going crazy.
You going crazy?
All right.
That's right. Do it up for her. Make it look good. Buy a ring. Put a ring on it. Now, women know down when they see it now. Yeah, women know how to count them stones.
And I could be chilling. I just like the fact knowing I ain't got to do nothing.
You gotta work no more.
No, I'm definitely not working.
Oh, you'll quit. You'll throw in the towel.
My quitting on my job gonna be spectacular.
You ain't found doing nothing. What you gonna still play video games?
See?
Yeah.
You
probably make your own video games anyway.
Nah, I ain't do all that, but
Come on now, you gotta do something with your money.
they said, well, money changing.
Yeah, will it change you?
I don't believe money changing.
You do?
It forced freedoms that you didn't have, financial freedom. I don't believe money change. I believe, like they say, like people say, I don't know where the saying come from, money don't change you, it makes you more what you already are. If you're an alcoholic when you was broke, if you become rich, you're just gonna be an alcoholic with money.
You think?
Yeah.
You think you'll drink it up?
Yeah. If you got a drug problem when you broke, what you think gonna happen when you get rich? You still have drug problems.
Wow.
You got more access.
Maybe
That's all
should
money do is give you access to things.
Oh.
I don't think it really changed you. You're not gonna all of a sudden like you said earlier, like your morals gonna change because you have money all of a sudden. If you did because that's all you felt always, you just didn't have the money to do what you want to do.
Why not just instead of still being on drugs, why not just go in some rehab and get yourself together and enjoy life?
Because they on drugs. They're not thinking like that.
Ain't gonna change.
Lord, I'm making a man. Well, I pray they do better than that now. They go get them some help. So
Oh, y'all in denial.
Ooh.
Y'all fake deep people try to act like money don't change you. Y'all a trip. I tell you.
Yeah, so give me an example of money changing.
What you mean, Spur?
I'm talking about other than financial freedom. I'm not talking about
Your money is gonna change you.
I know how
When you are in an environment, you act accordingly to your environment. You are who you are because of the experiences you have in life. Okay, when you have money, you're going to have different experiences than you would if you did not have no money. It's no way in the world you're not going to say money is going to change you. And when you experience those new things, you never know what your outlook is going to down be. You never know how you going to be until you experience it. That's just like motherhood. How you going to say you think motherhood won't change a person? I mean, when people become mothers and fathers, it changes them. You can easily say, oh, I ain't going to change when I get married. I ain't going to change when I had kids. But is it true after it happened? Oh, we still going to do this. I'm still going to do all that.
Do all what? Like what?
Are you the same person you were before you became a mother? Are you the same person you were before you became married?
When you become a mother, no, I was not the same person. But when you become a mother, motherhood changes you because it's no longer
anything changes you.
It's no longer me. It's my child.
Anything that's going to impact your whole life and that is going to change you. To say that it isn't is a lie. It is going to change you. It's no way it's not going to change you.
So basically, what you're saying, when you get money, you become bougie.
You don't have to become bougie. You can get money and lose it all, and that's what the thing is. It changes you. Anything you can spend, you can get money, and like Mama said, you go help St. Jude's, you get involved with it. That can change Mama's whole life. She can start getting into mission work and all that stuff. You never know, but you ain't gonna say that I'm gonna be the same Barbara I am right now if I became rich. You can't say that. You can't say that. I'm telling you.
I'm talking about I won't change this and act like I'm better than nobody else.
Well, that's a different. You try to say you won't change for the worse.
Yeah,
but you cannot.
I know I probably back stuff I can't afford it back now, but I would help a lot of people. I go somewhere if I were to go somewhere and eat, and I see somebody like a waitress come to your table, she's waiting on you. Sometimes you develop a quick relationship. You start talking. Sometimes they share stuff with you. If I'm 50 rich and I know she's struggling, she's begging for a ride to work, I know she need help. I said, what time you get off, honey? She tell me, what's the nearby dealership? Go out there and pick you out a nice car that you would like to have. That's if the Lord put on my heart to do it. I would do it. And I would buy them. I don't say, go get your car for $10,000. No, I'm rich. They don't get them for me because, they're not worth no $1 million. If the car $25,000, $30,000, yes, I buy it right off the floor, new. Y'all know me.
Well, because what I'm saying is, like, if your whole, we all at least 30 years old in this house. Uh-huh. Okay, if you have not been out of the United States, your whole worldview is basically the United States. If you get money, you start traveling. You're going to see different things. You're going to learn different things. It's no way in the world you're going to be the same person you was when you was living in rural Virginia. You're not going to be the same person.
Probably won't, because you'll venture out and do the things you want to love.
Your experiences in life make up who you are.
Get all the way home.
Do you agree? Don't your experiences in life make up who you are?
Yeah. I agree with you.
Okay, so if you get money, you don't think you gonna experience the same thing you experiencing now?
It depends on what you do.
If you get money, are you gonna experience the same things you experiencing now? No.
So you're gonna be able to do more.
Okay, so your experiences are gonna change. So you can't tell me you're not gonna change.
I'm not buying a big house, stay in the house all day.
That's okay. That's what you like to do.
No, he not. He just saying it.
What you mean?
He just said you don't know what you. It's easy to say. When I get rich, I'ma do this. That's just like when you were kids and you had the rose-colored glasses on. When I turn 18, I'ma do this. I'ma do that. And when you turn 18, what you do? Nothing like you said you was gonna do. You don't know what you're gonna do till you get there. You said that from now because you still, you know, you ain't there. You still every day playing a video game. But if you got money at your disposal and you can do anything you want, you ain't gonna tell me you gonna stay in the house all the time playing video games.
One day you need craft.
Cause if that's the case, what you buy a vehicle for? You don't need to buy no vehicle. What you gonna buy vehicles for? You gonna stay in the house.
So when he get ready to go somewhere.
But he gonna stay in the house? He say he wanna stay in the house.
He don't think all his life.
Well,
I mean, eventually go out the house.
But if all you gonna do is just go to the store or something like that, you don't need no big time vehicle for that.
Yeah, you might want to cruise and do what you want to do.
No, cause you know you died. You just try to make up for it. You know I'm right. That's all it is.
I don't want to travel. I had to take some benefit over the street.
Huh?
Lord Jesus.
I ain't trying to fly.
Oh.
I sure ain't riding no cars nowhere.
Yeah, you don't like that.
Ever since that trip to Florida, that's done.
Well, you know how that is. You travel a long way in the car. Well, we stopped a lot, so you know you got some relief. So we did stop. We stopped at a lot of rest stops.
We didn't stop a lot.
We did stop there about 4 times. Well, we stopped about what, 2 or 3 times. We stopped 2.
For a 12-hour ride, that's not a lot.
How many times you expect to stop, though?
You know that.
How many times you expect to stop?
You said we stopped a lot, but we didn't.
So.
You think
we
we stopped a lot, Daddy? You think we stopped a lot, Daddy?
You need traveling something you can stretch your legs out, legs lay down there.
We want a lot.
We stopped at the rest stop about twice. We stopped and got gas one time. We stopped and ate twice. 12 hours trip. That's a lot.
No, it ain't.
I know how my bad.
You won't get what you want until they come up.
No, yeah, I would, because I won't drive those 12 hours.
How many times you expect to stop? Well, tell me. I'm sure.
I didn't say I expect. I said you can't say you stopped a lot because a lot to you is not a lot.
Okay.
Now, you need a travel like that. You need to be in one of the big one of the bagels, I think they call whatever.
Yeah, go on with me.
That's what you need.
I won't want to ride in that no 12. I don't like. I get motion sickness. I can't stand to be in no car that long.
Stretch your legs
Huh?
What you gonna ride in then?
I'm a fly where I need to go.
Yeah, we'll see. How about that? You don't want to fly every time. You don't want to be on the ground sometimes. Enjoy your trip.
I would enjoy it. Get there quicker.
Yeah, nice train.
I don't want no train. Do you not know the plane is the least of all the forms of transportation of likelihood of having an accident?
I'm still not taking my chances. I don't trust these statistics.
Well, you ain't gotta trust it.
They just put that out there so you got tickets.
Well, if that's the case, then the train, the railroad track, they'll be advertising there everywhere that they were the best. If that was the case.
So what you thinking? You think everywhere you go, you gonna fly?
Anywhere long distance.
I sure will, bro. I just gonna take something BIB.
And just rent your car and keep on getting up and come on back when you're ready to come back.
Yeah.
You on the trip.
Yeah.
So y'all want to stop from place to place. You go from state to state just to see things.
How soon we
No.
left? We left how?
I don't like road trips.
How much earlier we left Florida just because of the road trip we had to take?
I left Florida. No, the road trip we had to take. I might go leave Florida earlier when I got to Florida. No disrespect to nobody live in Florida. But I have allergies. And the temperature just ain't right for me. It's muggy to me. And I had instead of grass, I was walking on a stony thing. I don't know where the grass was sticky. Sticking your feet. But I left Florida early because I just want to enjoy myself.
I was dreading that.
It was too hot. I just can't stand here, humid state. And y'all getting rain all the time. Rain just starts. Oh my God. It's on that. If we go to Kansas City in the summertime, I'm sorry for y'all in Kansas City. I'm sorry. I'm sorry y'all take it. I'm tornadoes home. Little Rock, Arkansas. Y'all in the worst. No, Salt Lake City. Now, That's why I said I'm gonna do some research before I even trying to plant myself anywhere. And if I was to move from where I'm at now.
I mean, everywhere got something.
Yeah, everywhere got something, but I found some solid ground somewhere. And I know where I want to go. Don't even tell you. Tell you know what I want to move to.
That's
No. Y'all can ask now. 6 months a day and 6 months a night.
I don't think I was like.
I love it. I would love it. I would love it. I would love it. But I don't want to go down where it's real cold at.
Is that what's gonna be cold?
I want to go to Tahoe.
What's Tahoe?
Tahoe.
What's Tahoe?
What state?
Nevada.
Mm-hmm. Come think. It's on the edge of what?
It's Lake Tahoe.
Yeah, Lake Tahoe.
Well, Nevada, how close they are to casinos?
Right there at it. When you want to go to the casino?
They got them king crab legs on restaurants down there.
Yeah. Lord Jesus. Now, who would think about a casino and all think about eating?
I mean, that's what you said, Nevada. That's what they doing over there.
They go there to
Casinos.
gamble, Smurf, not to eat.
Yeah, they going to casinos.
Riff ain't going to no casino and gamble.
I've been to
He ain't gonna buy no $2 lottery ticket like talking about.
I've been to
But if the Mega Millions, if the
Would
Mega
you go
Millions-
to a strip club?
Oh what?
Do you know prostitution legal in Nevada?
Ain't nobody gonna do that, Katie. Don't you start it. She trying to y'all. She starting it. No, nobody ain't think about that. Beep.
Huh? Oh, he ain't said no. He ain't said no.
I've been to a
You been to a strip club?
a casino. Oh, what?
You been to a strip club?
Okay, I'm not messing with you today.
Yeah, don't entertain her, Smurf.
No, he said. I said you was go to a strip club. He said I've been to one.
No, I said I
You
been
thought
to a casino.
a casino. You went there with your friend. You went to
And I won
New
$50,
Jersey.
and I stopped right there
I know you did.
because I paid for my food and everything.
So you want to leave that $50. You can walk away while you got a little bit extra money. Mm-hmm.
Your mama would have back in the day. Your mama would have won that money and lost it all back to her.
I ain't talking about me, Cal.
That would have been enough for her.
They ought to stop. That's my husband talking.
I put $2 in there.
Talking about what you do back in the day.
Was she bad then?
Yeah, she was bad at it. She could win right up.
And lose it all.
So what you call me, greedy?
You don't know when to stop what he's saying.
You call me
Look.
greedy.
And she always thought she could get more.
Look, your mama could. She loves to taste the tongue. She could be the first one to spray it. Always, she kind of talk. You know, instead of just going down and get what she got, she gonna talk.
Is it good?
My husband gonna
You
say
like
that about me.
You like it, Calvin?
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying that little
eating?
pie.
Oh, yeah, it's fine.
Do you taste the difference?
The strawberry a little strong. Cherry a little strong.
Because it's actually cherries in it.
I don't know. My husband can't stand up and he'll tell me
Wow.
he tried bad I did.
Yeah, see, Mom
Yeah,
tried to
she not good, I did.
She don't be talking about that when we were growing up. Then she smirked. She talking about all this stuff. She's talking about Dad and all his wrongdoings and all that other stuff he did.
That's a
She
lie.
didn't tell about that.
I ain't told you about your daddy what I'm doing.
Yes, she did.
I did?
Yeah.
I told you some stuff I did too.
No, you didn't.
I told
No,
you I
you
used to
didn't.
gamble.
But you ain't go into detail. You
Yeah,
just said I
yeah.
used to gamble and that's it.
Yep, that's it.
You went into details with Daddy.
But you don't understand. Your dad talking something totally different.
Really ain't.
Yes, he is.
What you talking about different?
He talking something totally different. Yes, he is.
So he exaggerated, Mama.
Yeah, because I have won and left too.
So you been to the casino?
Never been to a casino.
I don't know when you might go.
No, I ain't going to a casino
No, we
now.
ain't going to no casino.
What you think about it?
No.
You
If
think
I
I'm...
live in Nevada, I'm going to a casino. Just say I win.
Forgive me for a minute. Didn't your dad just told you that I used to gamble?
That's just
You
like
couldn't
asking
stop?
an alcoholic who didn't want to go to the bar.
So I can say no.
What could you want a gambler?
I didn't want to say I went and I
So you
went
can't
to
say
all
that because
day.
you want to gamble. If you want to
but
gamble, you can't say that.
I'm like, okay, if I be like, I'm gonna gamble $100. Once the $100 gone, I'm good.
Yeah, that's you. But you know, if you're talking to somebody you know, they just said that she was a gambler.
Mom's super competitive though.
So why would you say you gonna go?
Yeah, I mean.
But I think I got enough strength now, Smurf, that if I did win, I won't gamble with you though. I walk down the broad walk and eat and do stuff like that. I won't be in that gambling. You different in sense, man. Huh? Well, it hit big.
Yeah.
So you persuade me to stay. That's how you get started. That's how you get started.
You don't need to be around nobody that having addictions because you'll send them down a rabbit hole. Oh, just that one little drink, that one little shot ain't gonna hurt you.
I'm just saying,
Just because you don't have a problem. That's just like you know how you are with junk food and stuff like that. And you know you try to eat right because you try to get healthy. And I'm sitting there, just one chip. You can just eat one and stop. Just take the bag and just eat one or two and just put it up and don't go back to it. No, it's not different. It's the exact same thing. It's not different. It's just something you can relate to, so it's different now.
Let me ask you this, man. Would you think I should go inside a casino and gamble?
I wouldn't think nothing of it.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's like you having a good time. You want to experience it.
Oh.
That's how I look at it.
So how much money being lost would you feel is
I
excessive?
feel like, okay, I look at this. This is how I look at casinos. And stuff, places like that in the similar terms.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to a casino just like you going to an amusement park. You got stuff you got to spend in an amusement park. If I be like, okay, I'm going to set aside for it's $250 that I'm enjoying myself. I'm going to spend at this place that I'm going. I had the same mind frame when I'm going, but like you said, I'm different. Once my $250 gone, I'm good. I'm not gonna be like, well, let's try another 100. No,
Get my money back.
I'm good.
That's how you get hooked. Get my money back.
But like, I'm not thinking because I understand it's meant for you to lose. It's not meant for you to win.
But do you understand that majority of the people feel after they lost that, I want to try to get my money back so they'll make them play more.
Yeah, that's why they keep doing these deals up off their money. Like, but I understand the whole purpose. That's why I said I know my limit, and once I hit my limit, I'm done. Like you said, I'm not disagreeing with what you're saying. I'm just saying me. Because going in there, I understand it's not made for me to win.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is you understand what Daddy said about Mama, and you still talking about come on.
I'm just saying, Mom is super competitive though.
Ain't no super competitive. Anybody gonna want to win that money?
No, but Mom is like.
Nah, I think anybody gonna want to win that money. I will tell you the truth. I have bought scratch tickets and lost, and I wanted my money back.
You all want your money back.
Yeah,
You playing them scratch tickets?
Huh?
You be playing them scratch tickets?
Yeah, I used to buy scratch tickets all the time. I mean, I don't buy none no more.
You never scratched them with Smurf?
But
No, I've never brought one personally for myself.
Who bought one for you? Somebody bought one for you?
I've had them because you know some people like to give them in like them little gift cards and stuff, like I done had somebody give me one for work, like when they like what you call them gifts when you don't.
Oh, I'm turned up. Ain't talking to you. I'm so sorry.
Like they'll give like a lottery ticket or something.
Did you win?
I'm turning it up. I'm almost finished.
I don't think I ever want no scratch off, scratching down. I always thought them things was fake.
Fake?
Like, yeah, I don't think them things real.
What? You think you win money off the scratch ticket, Virginia Dollar don't pay you?
No, I'm talking about. I don't believe they really set out there like that, and all them tickets they be winning.
They out there. They can't lie. The government. They can't lie.
That's
If they got money, you got to hope you find one.
I want $1,000 for one.
for real. Well, you ain't give me none.
You ain't put nothing in it.
He want $1,000 more than one time.
Where you playing at?
Different places.
She just stopped at
All I
store.
ever heard like them little corn stores if you want you gotta go to. Like them run down places. They be having winning tickets.
Right.
That's what I heard.
What's the most you think I won at lottery before?
Lord, how messy.
At one time.
Crab everywhere.
So I don't know all them different. I don't know lotteries like how what they be winning. Like what
Let me
$2,000
try.
or something.
Let me try this. Cause I let the
About
whipped cream
$4,000.
milk. It's gone.
That's how you win that.
It's gone.
Number.
But how much money did you put in to win $4,000?
I think I put $60 in that night.
That's that.
$60, and you won $4,000. But what made you want to put that much down at one time?
Because I just had one number and I was just playing that one number. And I just played them multiple times.
And she'd have paid more because she was combo.
Oh,
my
$4
pie.
grand?
Can't I let my pie melt? Look at it,
Twice.
little
You
melt.
don't need to go no casino.
Oh, they melted everywhere. The whipped cream is gone. I should know
You
better.
definitely don't need to go no casino.
Why?
I think he changed the man now.
But Mom, I got
I
restraint,
know
don't I, Mama? Don't I, Mama?
Yeah, I believe you do.
Cause I had played it up and I ain't playing. I don't care what come out. I ain't playing.
Yeah, she got restraint.
But I would tell you the truth, I got restraint, but I realized that I like to gamble.
Let me
So
try
if
this.
I were to go somewhere like that, I make sure I leave any type of way I can get
I'm
some
trying this
money
now. No problem.
at home and only take what I'm gonna use with me.
Wait a minute.
That was the one. It
What
was
is
the
this?
Jersey we went to.
Ugh.
Miss Dorothy been trying to get me to go to Maryland Lab with her.
It was nice. It had like a nice restaurant in there. So we ate first and stuff like that. And that's why I stopped at 50 because I think my food was like $40-something.
So you only paid $10.
I'm like that.
No, I paid $2 to stop playing. It was like slot machines.
So you only paid $2, you won 50, and you stopped.
I'll keep playing until I got up to 50. Once I got up to 50, I said, no, that my food was free. So I stopped playing.
Wow. What you were paying, 10 cents at a time?
I don't even remember how it was. Yeah. I don't know. I was just pulling the lever.
No,
Did she win in
I
that?
can't do it.
I don't think she won. Because you one time I should have kept playing. I'm like, nah, this food's free. I'm good.
Well, those crabs was good. I enjoyed them. Woo. Well, you two world. Got my belly full. No, I'm not going to the casino. I might get hooked again. Anyway, go on down. Comment, like, and share, subscribe. Share with your friends about my channel. And I sure appreciate it. Until next time. I ain't talk much, but I talk to you later.